Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to make posts private on TikTok account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here to open my TikTok app. Just like so. After you open up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here. And the next thing you need to do is to select the post that you want to make private. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the bottom. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to swipe this way, and then you have to look for privacy settings. It open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to switch from everyone to only you. It's as simple as that. So with that, nobody will be able to view the post or watch the video on your profile. So this is how to make posts private on your TikTok account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.